How's it going? Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can add your bank account in Odoo. So what you need to do is at first head over to the accounting section in finance, and then you have to click on accounting one more time. Now, as you can see, there is this option called bank. What you'll do is click on search over banks, this option, if you don't immediately see your bank. Now, let's say you use the Bank of America. So you'll just type that in, and then you can see all of these have popped up. Let's say you use this one, American Bank of Commerce, or directly just Bank of America. You select that, you put in what type of account you use, and then these are all of the different things that you need to choose from, and then click on connect. Now it's going to take you to another page where you have to put in the information of that particular bank and what sort of account it is. But this is the process. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.